So we have a full house today. Look at all the people that are here. They're joining us on our fitness journey. I love it. But I'm going to be taking over today. So I don't know why we can't use the regular personal trainer. Why use me?
Because some damn fool accused you of being the best.
Shane! Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
Am I cool now? Am I cool now? I think this is how the kids do it. This is how kids work out. You got it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got it. You got it.
Oh yeah. Keep that body strength. Nice job.
Keelan here, we got Kratos. He's trying to get in here. He wants to get in on some action.
He wants to play with his sister.
No, he wants to work.
Oh.
So we're just getting her dialed in right now. So she's doing some basic obedience. We're just checking in. It's been about a week since the last time we did some basic obedience work. So we're just going to see where both of them are at today. So Akila lives with me, so she gets a little bit more work than Kratos. So she might be a little bit further along. But, yes. Yes. But, yes. Yes, a girl. Seats. Through.
That's my fave.
Good girl. Here. 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 Yes. Through. Yes. Right. Yes, a girl. Here. Yes, a girl. Through. Yes. Plots. Yes. Seats. Oh, you found it. Seats. Yes. Plots. Yes. Seats. So this is the new one we're going to add in. It's left. She's not good at this one at all. She doesn't understand the spinning thing because she's used to spinning this way and not this way. So yes. Through. Yes. Left. So she gets caught up just a little bit. Yes, and it's not perfect, but we can shape it down the road as long as she's getting the idea.
I mean, she's what, 10 weeks old?
11
They're both.
weeks, yeah.
What's that?
11 weeks.
Yeah.
Yes, a girl. We'll get Kratos out here.
Look how big he is.
He's so big. Come on, what you doing?
He's a Derpopotamus Rex. He's about to get humbled, Kratos.
He's like, oh, that's not some food. Here. Here. Yes, a boy. Through. Through. Come on. Yes, a boy. Flats. Yes, good boy. Seats.
He's got seats down.
Yes, good dog. Here. Yes, good boy. Flats. Yes, good dog. He's progressing really good. Yes, good dog. Good boy. Good dog. So that's it. I think Kratos won. You got me sweating. Yeah, you got me sweating. Good dog. She's so mad.
Before you ask, yes, they're natural. My shirt is appropriate because we are playing. It's Monday D&D night. Hey, y'alls.
What's that? Oh, it's a camera. Sorry.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Noe, what are you playing? What's your character?
I'm playing a summoner.
A summoner?
Yes.
What's his race?
He is a fallen ace.
Whoa, the fallen kind?
Made it up myself.
Yeah. Can he get up?
He can.
Okay.
I know I
Through
sent it to you.
diligent effort, trial and error.
And he has a little device on his chest that he clicks, and then it calls 911, and then people come.
Might have to implement that. Summon undead.
Jake,
Yo,
what are you playing?
I am playing an Oath of Vengeance Paladin.
What's your race?
Human marked with.
Variant human? Regular human? Yeah, of course, variant.
Marked
What are you,
with-
some kind of
marked
noob? Will, what kind of dungeon master are you playing?
The douche
The one that likes to do all sorts of things.
Like I said.
So I am playing a Shatterkai artificer, armorer, infiltrator. That's my icon right there. I look like a ninja, but it's like a ninja armored ninja type thing. And we have Taco Bell in the way.
Yay!
That's Captain Cat Sparrow.
He's ready to
What's
be
he
summoned.
playing?
Oh my god.
The nuisance.
Where are you going? Sparrow!
I think him and my dog.
Come on, man.
Playing rub the bag.
So we had an unfortunate turn of events. Last night, John came over to make apple crisps with me. So we prepped all the apples, a ton of apples, and then the fan / heating element. I don't know what's going on with this. The fan wouldn't turn, so I sent all the apple crisps, or were the apples. They weren't dehydrated yet, home with John. So I'm going to see if Amazon will take this mofo back and replace it because I want another one. In the meantime, I prepped some turkey breast, and I marinated it, and I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to see if I can pull it off with my air fryer. All right, here we go. Man, this stuff tastes so good already. All right, we're going to figure out how to do this. Silly me. I didn't notice right in the middle there's a dehydrate button. So, yeah, easy peasy. Except I think 8 hours is going to be way too long, but we'll see. When Amanda's making food, we fence him off so he can't get in here while he's just too much around the other dogs. And, yeah, this is his new thing, is to sit on the back of the couch so he can see better. Kratos, that's pretty naughty, but you're so cute. My turkey jerky is done. So, yeah, this is garlic flavored teriyaki, soy sauce, and garlic pepper. Let's see if this is everything I dreamed of. Alright, it's really good. Alright, first attempt, success. Wow, this is perfect.
Seats. Okay. Good boy.
He's a good boy.
Good boy. Bye.